Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, our supervisor of PIC ASEAN 2020 and all audience. Okay, we are from University of Yogyakarta. We want to present our research by the title Acute and Subchronic Toxicity Study of Rambutan Peel Extract in Rat. In Indonesia, 940 types of natural ingredients are known to have medicinal properties that have been used in traditional medicine for generation to generation by various ethnic groups in Indonesia. The use of natural ingredients as alternative medicine shows a number that continues to increase. Rambutan peel account for 45.7% of the total rambutan fruit. This rambutan peel has not been widely used because it is considered a waste in the food industry. Rambutan fruit peel contains several compounds such as flavonoid, tannin, saponin, epiglycatin trigonate, which have an antihyperglycemic activity. So the urgency of the study and subchronic toxicity study are a method used to evaluate the safety of a chemical and analyze its active mechanism. The toxicity test is a test used to observe the symptom and level to toxicity that can be caused by a single dose given to experimental animal. Toxicity test is a preclinical test that aims to measure the level of toxic effect of a compound within a certain time after giving single dose. The subchronic toxicity test animals by observing the liver because it is the primary site of action. The desired result of subchronic toxicity test is there are not significant side effects in the sample test. So the materials used pharmacological test, the material used for pharmacological test and acute subchronic toxicity use standard tools commonly used for pharmacological test and subchronic acute toxicity. And we use reagent and chemical test kit. So the methods for the result toxicity test conducted in accordance with the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Based on the manual, the toxicity test was carried out with a variation of the concentration of 5,000 milligram per kilogram because with this concentration, the experimental animals did not experience any real abnormality or symptom. And subchronic toxicity tests include food intake and water intake, hematological analysis, and histological analysis. In the experimental animals were divided into four groups for male and female. Discussion for acute toxicity test. The acute toxicity test was conducted to determine the potential toxicity by observe for the lethal dose or LD50 value for 24 hours. The LD50 value can be used to assess the types of clinical symptoms that can be arise and the mechanism that cause morbidity in tested animals. The LD50 is the dose used as a parameter of morbidity in 50% of the population. The beginning parameters were carried out for 24 hours, and if there is not death, then the observation continued for 14 days. In the study, male and female experimental animals were used to compare the result obtained. This is the percentage of morbidity for group in or female rats, there are symptoms. I cyclically of the and female rats, there are more frequency that than male rats. Based on the literature survey on conventional ELITEs, female experimental animals are more sensitive than male experimental animals. And water intake. On the table, it can be said that the group of female or male rats experiment on increase in body weight during 24 hours and continued for 14 days, so that it can be ascertained that giving rambutan peel extract does not affect appetite in male and female rats. Subchronic toxicity study is a factor that can affect the safety of other compounds. In the study, stratified dose were used 3.6 and 6.4% per kilogram body weight. Observed were change in body weight, organ function, blood, urine, as well as kidney and liver histopathology. As for body weight, food intake, and water intake, in 0 day, 45 day, and 19 day. Based on the table, change in body weight of treatment and negative control groups did not show any significant change. Extract does not stimulate change in body weight, food intake, and water intake, even though on 45 and 90 days there was a change in food and water intake to be less than before. So, in histopathology of kidneys and liver, this show that in large dose, rat will experience a decrease in liver function at lower doses. There will be an improvement in liver function. Excretion of most toxic compound, blood volume, and concentration toxin on the filtrate and carry this toxin through to blood cell. So, in this data, there is no significant difference in the urine profile of male and female rats on and control. The treatment is carried out by checking the pH value. In blood parameters, based on this table, that each tested parameter show a profile that is almost the same as the control group. This is inclusive because it occurs in all experimental animals. Inclusive, based on the result of the acute toxicity test study, the rambutan free pill extract was declared non-toxic and given a sign that for 24 hours of treatment, no experimental animals died from either male or female rats. The result of the subchronic toxicity test showed it was safe to use. This can be seen for the insect change in each of parameters. So, rambutan peel extract with acute and subchronic toxicity test did not show any toxicity and was safe to use. Until here, my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.